This is what you see. This is a packaging station on an outdated warehouse. So it's just a table. It's just a plain table, and the product comes in at this table. You have no packaging materials, no tapes, no scanners. You don't have even a computer. So you can not do anything with that. You're just having the product and need to run through the whole warehouse to look for any packaging materials in order to be here. At a modern warehouse, you have obviously a computer with a monitor, with a scanner that helps you getting to know how to pack the order and the product. Because if you have the scanner, if you have the computer, and the product goes to your packaging station, you're just scanning the product. And remember, we go back again to the inbounding section. The measuring machine gave all the data to the system. So by scanning this product, all the measuring data are already there into the system. And if we're scanning the product, the instruction on how to pack this product, whether it's your individual process, because it's also possible, or a standard process of a modern warehouse, does tell you what packaging material you need to pick in order to pack it in a proper way in order to avoid free airspace shipment. And where do you have all those packaging materials? Right above your head or on the left or downside of your hand. So anything is just by reaching out your hand, and you can easily have the access to all the packaging materials that you have. Obviously, you need to some kind of secure also the package. So on the left, so you have the packing tape, obviously paper or plastic, any fragile stickers, any marketing materials, any stuff or flyers that you need to put inside the box. And on the right, obviously the fillers like the blotting paper, bubble foil, if you have any glass products or any porcelains, this might also happen. And you have also the rollers where you can get the already packed parcel and get it over to an employee who packs all the goods on pallets or on trolleys, and then they are getting back to the carrier. One important thing here, also, as you see the scanner, this is actually our packaging station. As you see the scanner and you see this sheet of paper with the codes on there, I think it's visible. This goes for all the processes that we are doing at the packaging station. So which packaging material we did take, which tape, which process did we actually make. So all of these you will have by the end of the month on your invoice. How many packaging materials did you use, did you take, did we take, and what is actually the cost for it. So to sum it up, 3.5 minutes in order to pack the goods with nothing but a plain table, and 2.5 minutes in a modern warehouse for an order. And an order can, let's say, as we had in an example here, 3 articles inside, and it is a reduced time by 30%. And again, hold on to your chairs, because by 5,000 parcels, it is 83 hours of saving.